Tense and aspect. Those are two ways in which verbs can be marked. Let's have a look at them one after the other. Let's start with tense. Now, tense marks a verb for where it is located in time. It can be something that is happening in the past tense, or something that is happening right now, or even something that is happening over there in the future. That's what tense does. Let's have a look at some examples. I walked. I walk. I will walk. So I walked. The ed ending of walk, this little suffix, indicates that something happened in the past. I walk. This is something that is more generic, and it may take place in the present, or it certainly has a relationship to the present. I will walk. Will, the little auxiliary here, indicates that something will be happening in the future. Right. Aspect, then. Aspect tells us something about actions and events as well, but aspect doesn't really care about when something is located in time. Rather, aspect looks at the internal shape of an action or event. What does that mean? Well, an action or event may be beginning. So this is called an inceptive aspect. We may have a beginning here and the action takes place from there. I start walking. We've got a number of aspects in English, such as the ongoing aspect, or also called the progressive aspect. Now, this is this little ing form that we often find verbs appearing in. I am walking. Okay? This is an ongoing action. It doesn't really have a beginning or an end, at least not indicated within the verb. Rather, I am walking is an ongoing thing, and we don't really care about when it started and when it ends. That's not our focus. It surely will have a beginning and it will have an end, but the verb itself, I am walking, doesn't indicate that. Right. We can also have a perfect aspect. That means that an event is over. So, for example, when I came here today, I walked here. So, I have walked here, and now I have arrived. And now we're sort of after this event. We can also have other perfect aspects, such as I have eaten. Okay, so the eating was going on, the eating stopped, and now we're somewhere here after the eating took place. Right. Tense and aspect are often combined in languages, and that's why very often people treat them the same. And sometimes they even have names that refer to both tense and aspect at the same time, such as the pluperfect and many others. How can we combine tense and aspect? Well, we're combining the internal shape of an event with the placement of an event in time. So, earlier today, I was walking. There was an ongoing action here. I was walking. This is in the past tense, but it indicates an ongoing, a progressive aspect. Right now, I'm walking on the spot. So walking in the present. This is taking place right now. It's the progressive aspect, but at the same time it's the present tense. And then we can have a look at the progressive in the future. I will be walking. When I'm going home, I will be walking. In this case, the action hasn't taken place yet. It's going to take place in the future, we hope, but it is still an ongoing action. We still have the progressive aspect. And in those ways, tense and aspect are very often combined in languages. And that's it.